Anushka and you're watching my YouTube channel, that is Anushkaglam. So basically I'm very much new to this channel because this is my first video I'm uploading today, and as because I'm very much new, I'm like very nervous, but still let's continue with the video. So today I'm gonna do some makeup tutorials for the beginners as well as for the day-to-day basis. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it, and don't forget to follow my page on Instagram, that is Anushkaglam, whereas my Facebook followers as well as the YouTube channel subscribers. So basically I'm going to start today the new video, and I hope you guys like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I start a new video or I make a new video, so that you can be aware of it and you don't miss the video. So let's get started. So first I have already applied some of the basic things, that is like my primer as I usually do, and then now I'm gonna start with this Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless, that is sun beige. And so I usually do with this type of things. I make a dot on my face and not much, but like wherever there are dark spots. And so here I'm gonna do this, and with this brush, this is the beautiful brush, very soft, so I'm gonna blend this foundation all over my face, and you can see it's like so easy. And this foundation is one of my favorite foundation as because it blends so nicely. So here, the more you blend the foundation and the eyeshadow the more it's very good. So here you go. So some on my neck as well. So here you can see the difference, guys. So here, okay, now I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So before I draw some eyebrows, I just wanna brow them up. So I have not gone to parlor since a long time. I have not made my eyebrows. So but still I'm just gonna show you the basic things. So now I'm using this Marizoke waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is very good, with a brush on it on the top. So okay, I'm gonna see the mirror right now. I'm gonna apply it because it's too difficult for me to do in the mobile. Okay, so there we go. First I draw this lining outside and the upper part. First I draw the shape, and then with the help of this brush I'm just gonna shape it out. So here you go. I guess guys this would be my little long video, as because this is my first video and I want to show you guys everything, so it might be quite long. So guys, here I'm done with my eyebrows. As you can see now, it's dark, quite blended. And now finally I'm gonna go with my eyes. So this is my Huda Beauty palette. It's a textured shadow palette in rose gold editions. So let's start. with the help of this flat brush, I'm gonna use this this bay, which is very light to shadow. So I'm basically gonna do with this. It is just for the basic things. So basically we do with the light colors before we go to the darker shades. So I'm highlighting it over it. And the more you blend the eyeshadow, the more the texture becomes very flawless. So with the another eyes, okay. So now I'm gonna take this rose gold, okay. So from my outer side of my eyes to the inner corner, with the cut crease here, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyes out here. As you can see, this is not that dark as well as not that light. The color is very good. It is somewhere like a little pigmented color, so that you can see it's like not that much pigmented, but like it's okay. I love this color. It's quite good. So now basically I'm taking this black truffle color. You can just check it out. It's a little bit glittery color, but I'm using the same brush. It's a little bit glittery, but you can't find that much glitter, so I'm using this on my outer corner of my eyes, not going inside too much, just on the outer corner, just to give like a little bit smoky. There you can go. Okay, so now on the other side of my eyes, okay, so as I have completed my eyeshadows, now I'm gonna draw some lines with my eyeliner. Now this is from TFF. It's a very good brand. It's a long lasting eyeliner. It's a liquid matte eyeliner, so it's very good. This is one of my favorite. And I'm drawing a little bit on fleek from my outside corner to the inside corner. So a little bit on fleek, because it's a trend right now, guys. So here you can see. So drawing on my other eyeliner on my other eyes. So here, completed it with my eyes. And now let's hit the mascara. So this is from the Huda Beauty waterproof mascara. It's a very good mascara, since it's like, you know, one of my favorites. So I'm using this mascara very first on my very first video. So I don't use too much of mascara because I don't like using mascara, but still. So these are the basic things that I'm showing you guys. Okay, so this mascara has a very good volume, so I guess you guys don't need the fake lashes, but still, if you want to put the fake lashes, then you can do that. But as today I'm not going to use the fake lashes, so I'm just using the mascara. And now, okay, so this is from the L'Oreal Kajal Magnicue. I'm using this kajal under my waterline. So here you go. So you need to be very careful using this kajal underline the kajal, because you know you can poke it inside your eyes. So you have to be very careful about it, guys. So here, I have completed doing my eyes, everything, I've done it. So now, this is the beautiful Maybelline lipstick. Like, I have purchased 2 of it. This is one of my favorite nowadays. Like, I've been using this. So I have one in Pink My Red, that is 641 Maybelline, the number, the shades, and whereas the other one is Chili Nude MNU09. So this is the Creamy Madness by Maybelline New York. So let's use this Chili Nude, because this is like, I'm very much in fond of this lipstick nowadays. I'm continuously using it. So let's try. So you just can see, like in the video in this camera, it's looking a little bit darker shade, but like it's not too dark. It's very nude color, and it's very good color. So you just can check it out. So this is the basic things. If you wanted to put some blushes on your cheeks, you can do that also, but that is like specially for the people who are going for the parties, and you know, and for some other things, other activities. So basically I'm not using any blushes, or I'm not contouring my face or something like that, because this is the basic tutorial things that I'm doing today. So for the more other things, let's get started with other videos. So for today, this is the thing, this is my look. I hope you guys like it. So you just can see it. So thank you guys watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoy it, and for the more details, you just can click on to my Instagram as well, where I am been using that Instagram as Anushkaglam, and my YouTube channel is also the same thing, Anushkaglam. So I have my Facebook followers also. I have newly opened a Facebook page, and out there also you can follow me. So the name is same, Anushkaglam. So I hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to like, share and comment, and hit the notification bell, as I have already said you before starting the video. So see you on the next videos, guys. Till then, stay gorgeous, stay blessed. Bye.